Welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, I'll show you how to transform ordinary text into extraordinary visual effects using Canva's Magic Morph. Let's get started. First, launch Canva and create a new project. Choose a canvas size that fits your intended design, whether it's for social media, presentations, or print. Next, navigate to the text panel on the left-hand side. Click to add a text element and enter the words you'd like to transform. For best results, choose a bold and clear font, something easy to see and style. Now, go to the Apps section, also in the sidebar. In the search bar, type Morph. Click on Magic Morph when it appears to launch the tool. With Magic Morph open, select your text layer. You'll see a prompt field where you can describe the effect you want to apply. This tool uses advanced AI to interpret your description and apply a matching visual style. Be specific and creative with your prompts. That's the key to stunning results. Here are a few great prompt examples. Luxurious gold foil texture, electric neon lighting effects, flowing molten lava, crystalline frozen ice, glossy bubblegum slime. Each prompt generates a completely different look, so don't be afraid to experiment. Once the AI finishes processing, you'll see 4 unique design variations based on your prompt. Preview each one, select your favorite, or choose multiple versions. Then click Import to Canva. Now, your styled text is part of your design. You can reposition, resize, layer effects, or export the final product in the format you need. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more design tips, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.